right, getting ready to make our water main connection there. You see the water main there. Those are poly line that's already been pulled to the water main. We're just waiting on CEG to make the connection. There's also tracer wire so that you can find this water line in the future whenever you need to find your utilities, whenever somebody's digging out here. And so there's the water meter pit. The ADU is going to be metered separately. It's already stubbed into the crawl space, and this our plumber's going to take over from the crawl space and make all the to run our plumbing. And then there we have our sewer main connection. The sewer, we opened up the street there, got down about 8 to 10 foot deep for that sewer main. We tapped the main while it was hot. That just means it was an active line, which is the normal process, but you got to have some experience doing that. And then we open cut trenched all the way to the ADU for the sewer line. Now, open cut just means that you got to trench the entire way. You can't bore in the line using a boring machine, so you have to dig all that out. But what you're seeing now is almost the completed process. We just need to come back in and top our capping here, our concrete cap, which you got to cap your excavation with concrete and then overlay it with asphalt. And so everything's been done for the sewer line. It's already stubbed into the crawl space. You see a clean out here for the sewer. There's another clean out back there by the ADU for the sewer line. And yeah, making good progress down here on utilities. We're waiting on our electrician to go ahead and install our riser and meter for the ADU. So making good progress here. Stay tuned, more coming soon.